what else you want in your life. So well guys, I have reached to my first point, and the point is damn beautiful. You can see that. Yes, that is a waterfall, and now we need to catch the troll car, and the troll car will take us up there where all the glaciers are. So I'm just waiting for it. These are the passengers who will be coming with me. Okay, now I'll just show you this some of the scenery. You can see it's very beautiful. So well guys, I am in a buggy. You can see he's the person who is driving it, and it is scary, believe me. Oh god, you can see the buggy looks like that. You see this car going, it's the same we have. I got the front seat, but it makes a lot of noise. This is the fastest we gonna go. Ah.
No, not on the top. On the top, I think the floor. Then you go a little bit more.
Okay. You can see guys, that is the glacier over there.
Oh, it's true. Here, you can use this.
Oh Lord, I am going into the waterfall. I don't have to worry, my phone is waterproof, but my earphone is not. Oh Lord. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, it's cold and it's awesome. So well guys, I'm going on the top now to see the glacier bay. You can see the glacier bay over there. And the way, because I'm speaking like that, it's very stiff. You can see the way.
There are clouds across the rock top.
And people are taking some pictures. I'll just show it to you. Yeah, you can see. Be careful. Norway, I love you. things you want in your life. So guys, I am quite near to the glacier. This is the first time in my life I'm so close to the glacier. Yes, I've already made a video on glaciers, but that was I was on the ship. This time I'm actually walking through the glacier, towards the glacier. Okay. Let's see, I'm really excited. People are coming back, seeing glacier. It's like 10-minute walk from here. So well guys, this is the glacier water coming from all the way from those glaciers up there. Can I drink it? That is the only question. I've seen in movies our actors always drinking glacier water. Can I also try it? What do you think? Should I drink it or not? What's gonna happen if I drink? Am I gonna die or something? I'll ask this person. Can we drink this water? Alright, if anything happens to me, tell my mom I really love her. Okay guys. Well guys, this is what I want to do all my life. A drink of water coming from the glacier. You can see the glacier over there. And this is the water. It's coming from there. So I'm gonna try now. Okay, I'll try one more time. It's awesome! Okay guys, this was my first time. I wasn't so close to the glacier. I don't know whether I can go more closer. I don't see anyone. Okay, let's try more closer. Oh. Come with me. I'll take you to the glacier. It can't get more beautiful than this.